Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your SunTrust bank account. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you won't miss any of our videos. So without any delay, let's get the video started. First thing you need to do is open browser on your phone or on your desktop. Then enter the URL suntrust.com. Once you do that, you'll be headed to their website and click on the sign on button at the bottom of the page. After you do that, you'll then be required to enter your information that you used to log into your SunTrust bank account. So enter your user ID and password. Once you fill in your information, click on the orange arrow button in order to log into your SunTrust bank account. But if you do not have an account, click on sign up now button. Or if you have forgotten your user ID or password, click on forget user ID or password. Once you fill in your information, click on the orange arrow button and you'll be logged into your SunTrust bank account. So there you have it. That's how you log into your SunTrust bank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.